Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming power and a fresh battery level. This avoids intermittent faults. Once done, identify your Drayton model so you follow the correct menu path. Next, set the room thermostat to the temperature you want. This gives a baseline for programming. Make sure the boiler is enabled on the system mode, press the controls power, and observe the display for model identifiers. If prompted, enter installer or user code. This unlocks scheduling and advanced settings so you can proceed. Now you program daily schedules. Press Schedule, select weekday then weekend, and add time blocks for comfort and setback periods. You should use 0.5 degrees steps to fine-tune comfort versus savings. This optimizes energy use. Once schedules are set, assign modes: automatic for scheduled control, manual for a fixed temp, or off for frost protection. Make sure boost and holiday modes have correct durations so temporary overrides don't cancel your weekly program. These let you adapt quickly without reprogramming all slots. Finish by running a manual test cycle. Force heat call and confirm the boiler fires and the room temperature starts to climb. This validates wiring and control logic. Once satisfied, lock or save your program with the user code and note key settings for future reference. If something goes wrong, check displayed error codes and power first, then examine wiring and thermostat placement. If resetting doesn't clear the fault, contact a qualified technician. Do this after documenting symptoms and any error numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.